Hi guys, welcome back to another video at a festival called Life. This is our special week in paradise, and if you saw the previous video, I think you figured that this is not like another travel video to Phuket. See, this week is very important to us because yesterday was Ritika's birthday, tomorrow is our anniversary, and in 2 days later is my birthday. So it's a week already in paradise. So today we are headed to the old town of Phuket for a lovely Sunday market, and the old town of Phuket itself has such a fountainish Sino-Portuguese vibe to it. These lovely old school buildings, pretty cafes, lovely weed stores, a very hip culture, nice bars and restaurants. Let's see when we get there. Let's go. So when you think of Phuket, you're already imagining the picturesque white sand beaches or the crazy nightlife of Patong. But the old town of Phuket is, in my opinion, the best part of the city. And by the end of this video, you'll see why. The first thing you'll notice here are the endless restaurants and cafes. And the cuisine options here are mad. There's something for everyone. So start at brunch before heading out in the lanes of Old Town. Today is a Sunday, which means these rainbow colored lanes turn into a Sunday market with locals setting up beautiful stalls, selling all sorts of handmade items and delicious authentic Thai food. It is seriously a shopper's haven. Make sure to try out some local food and get used to the crowds. This place is packed, as any market should be. This is such a pretty scene right in the middle of Old Town.
And there's so much food.
And this music in the background.
Very nice.
So if shopping isn't your scene, singing children surely have to be. There's ballerinas, paintings on a canvas, kids coloring in the streets, and we found a pretty little cafe overlooking the lanes, chilled for an hour with our Thai iced teas, and just watched the market activities. You know, it's funny, where the market is today was once the red light district. See, back in the day when Phuket was bustling with trade, early Portuguese traders, Chinese merchants, and local businessmen settled here, in the old town, turning this place into the colorful dreamland it is today. We watch as artists draw on paper and on the lanes. We watch as bartenders make perfect cocktails. Hold on, let me come and explain. The old town of Phuket is a vibe, and Sunday markets begun. It's evening. Colorful buildings, pretty cafes, small little bars, these beautiful markets, and then all the gorgeous decor. Yesterday was the last day of the Chinese New Year, and I think the city is still in celebration, and so are we. So we thought the old town looked pretty in the day, but the evening here just blew us away. The lights are beginning to come on, and it is that blue hour that happens right after an island sunset. The bars are now filling up, and more weed stores to make the lights shine brighter in the days. The aroma of fresh food in the way and the colors of Old Town, and we stop along our way at the most beautiful sound. A performance truly young at heart, and a couple who danced like they'd never been apart. We danced in the lanes of Old Town, made new friends along the way, saw the lights change colors, and even bought a huge hat for some beachy day. Local designers with pastel and floral art, the bar scene is picking up. But first, we took a nice foot massage. So after walking for most of the day, some Thai therapy recharges us for the rest of the way. As we head out again, the night is still young. There's singing and dancing, and the night gets even more fun. A live DJ concert in the streets of Old Town. We cheer and hoot and then continue dancing about. The countless bars, and then there's more. But it's time to head to a weed store. So which is your best strain? Local strain.
Best strain is
Yes.
Wild Thai. It's a signature 100% sativa. Only just my shop in Thailand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I smell it?
Third page of strongest sativa, 2017 and 2019 in
Wow.
Colorado.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this. Okay. 1 gram. You roll in 2 joints.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So weed is legal in Thailand and that is new. I mean, I had seen all this in Amsterdam, but this is something else. It is Amsterdam on steroids. Thank you.
See you.
See you. So for our dinner spot for the night, we head to the Brasserie, a vintage Italian restaurant with all things fine. Ordered their favorite truffle spaghetti and of course a glass of fine wine. We walked the streets of Old Town one last time, hands full of bags and pockets empty of dime. Mad, this lane especially throughout the day it is packed with people.
No, actually in the evening when the lights are on.
And it is one of the prettiest lanes of Old Town, Phuket. Especially on a Sunday market. But after 11 p.m. when the crowds are all going home, the bars have shut and the music has stopped. One more day over in Phuket. And that was the end of today's video, guys.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me is coming up. This series
Entire
is,
week is birthday,
Yeah.
anniversary.
honestly, this
chilling.
series has no head, no tail, no start, no end. It is just a celebration.
I think let's
of
mark
our
it like
week.
this every year. This week, the videos will be just there. There'll be no head and tail.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Go. Walk.
Actually, my real walk. Can we do both? I know it's sad, but
I would look like a dumb fuck holding this.
तो थैले मुझे दो चलो.
Yeah, you look like a dumb fuck holding it. We have so many bags we have shopped, yeah. And now I have one camera and this. Bags like these.
Can I hold the bag?
No, these are what behind the scenes are shooting. Yeah?
I'm gonna
Okay.
go walk. And
1, 2.
do one thing. Start with reel first.
1, 2, 3, go.